has agreed to donate $10 million to the Starlight House, which...
No.
I mean, come on.
No.
Give it up.
No. Starlight lied to you just now. She did. I don't make mistakes. I'm not just like the rest of you. I'm stronger. I'm smarter. I'm better. I am better. I'm not some fucking weak-knee crybaby that goes around fucking apologizing all the time. Why the fuck would you want me to be?
Fucking commercial, Roger. Go to fucking commercial.
Don't you dare stop rolling, Roger! All my life, people have tried to control me. My whole life. Rich people, powerful people, try to muzzle me, cancel me, keep me impotent and obedient like I'm a fucking puppet. And you know what? It worked. Because I allowed it to work. And guess what? If they can control me, then you can bet your ass they can control you. They already do, you just don't realize it. I'm done. I'm done apologizing. I am done being persecuted for my own strengths. You people should be thanking Christ that I am who and what I am. Because you need me. You need me to save you. I am the only one who possibly can. You're not the real heroes. I'm the real hero. I'm the real hero.